who is studying in his grade 7, but he is very interested in robotics as well as STEM. He's participated in various events such as WRO, FLL and Robotex, where he has showcased his innovation and creativity. His recent project, which has been titled as Sunflower, has been highly recognized by leaders, not just in India, but in China and Estonia. He's won a number of awards as well. Let's welcome developer and innovator of renewable energy, Sarthak Shyam Sir. All right, when I look at this action-packed panel,
Other student innovator, Sarthak. You have achieved remarkable success at such a young age with your desire to create social impact along with your passion for sciences. Please tell us about your recent innovation, Sunflower, what it does, what is its impact, and how you created it.
First of all, I'd like to thank Times of India for inviting me here. So about my project Sunflower, me and my friend Varun had teamed up together to make an innovative solution based on renewable energy which can create a social impact. So we named it Sunflower, and it is about living in harmony with nature and generating energy through 3 different sources without the use of non-renewable resources or fossil fuels. So it is a smart solution which can detect the weather, and on its basis it can check which source of energy to generate through, like solar, hydro or wind. So our inspiration is basically the mimosa plant, which is also known as a touch me not. So it closes its leaves when touched. After some time it reopens them. And our second piece of inspiration was when we visited solar farms, wind turbines and hydro turbines. We wondered that could we not make a project that could combine all these 3 sources into one with the concept of the opening and closing of the mimosa plant. So we combined it, and its social impact is basically improvement in the air quality index or the AQI, because it does not use non-renewable resources, and it can inspire other people to develop innovative solutions, and it can be replicated across the world. Thank you.
And panelists such as young change makers such as yourselves.
So technology plays a very important role to make youth like leaders of tomorrow, as it can help them combine their solutions into reality and execute them. So, yeah.
Okay, thanks. And now over to Prachi. One piece of advice for the youth in our audience and the youth that will be watching this and all the other people present here for starting their journey and those who are passionate to lead change. We can start with you, Sarthak, please.
One piece of advice is that in these generations, youth are looked upon as role models, but that was not the case 3 decades ago. Youth has a lot of empowerment now, and I would advise the youth to use it wisely